updated design for Honda CBR1000RR V4 engine. This is a design image predicting the appearance of the exclusive Honda CBR1000RR designed by me, and this is not an official design from the Honda company. Recently, motorcycle magazine simultaneously published news about the Honda CBR1000RR Special Edition model for 2024. This is evidence for the rumor that Honda will launch CBR1000RR Special Edition 2024 and will stop producing CBR1000RR series to replace the CBR1000RR series. Recently leaked information from the Honda company has been revealed by the media that the Honda CBR1000cc model equipped with the V4 engine is about to be released at the end of 2024. This new Honda CBR1000cc also possesses a very cool appearance and makes its rivals such as Yamaha R1 and Ninja ZX-10R jealous. This new CBR1000cc model was named CBR1000RR V4 by Honda followers. The Honda CBR1000RR V4 engine combined with this completely new appearance design is completely comparable to the Ducati V4.